Hi everybody, this is Gino from Son of the Times Entertainment. We are on our way right now to the Stan Mansion up on the north side here, and we are doing a roast. So it should be a lot of fun. I've got my assistant here. Hang on. Say hi, Dave.
Hello everybody, how are you?
But actually, sorry about the crazy camera movement. It's kind of like a Blair Witch Project going on here. But yeah, today is actually the first day Dave and I are working together. Should be a lot of fun. And we're stuck in traffic, moving extremely slow. But blue skies, sunny, beautiful day. So anyway, we're gonna have some fun tonight. I already have one little screw up though. Brought up the brand new tux, and I forgot to have the new shirt pressed. So anyway, looks like I'm gonna be stuck wearing the vest and jacket all night, and I'm gonna be hot as hell. Got to cover up the wrinkled shirt. Anyway, having some fun here. Basically, what's gonna happen here? We're gonna have your typical cocktail and dinner music, followed by the roast, just like they do on Comedy Central. And after that, we're going to have some karaoke and dancing. So it'll be a lot of fun. And we'll be taking some footage of that. Our man Dave over here is going to be handling the camera. So we'll see you.
We're at the Stan Mansion. We're all set up. They've got big R64s pointing right at me, and it's hot up here. But we got it set up. We had some issues, but we got it going. I had to eliminate my Sonic Maximizer out of here. It just wasn't working. So anyway, let me show you guys the setup. As you can see, running Virtual DJ. Got my compact laptop. I've been using that for about 4 years. And I must not be a professional because I'm using a Behringer mixer. But, yeah, we got, I got a Behringer EQ down here too, so I must not be a professional because I'm using Behringer. But, crown amp, light control, and, wow, you really can't see anything in here, can you? Anyway, I'll try this again later with lights. Right now, we'll get this party going in a little bit. Alright, well, we got it all set up. There's my setup. 18-inch sub, pair of Yamahas, my lights. We'll see those in action later. There's Dave. Say hi, Dave. He's not paying any attention. But place is starting to fill up. So, we're good for a good party tonight. It'll be a lot of fun. Alright, so anyway, we got this thing going now. We got some people dancing. Got a lot of people chilling off to the side, just talking and everything. But, got the lights going. As you can see, the LEDs. They seem a lot brighter on camera. Pulse ending on that song. Everyone's clapping. So, anyway. Well, apparently, I started doing the mixer like Brian S. Red does, and somehow that turned into a conga line to YMCA. I've never seen this before. This is kind of cool. Go right into Facebook.com. So we're done. It was actually a lot of fun. And I just dropped Dave off, and unfortunately I didn't get any footage of him tonight. But today was his first day. He's got some learning to do. Turns out he actually knew
a bunch of people there, and I had a ton of people ask for cards after, and things are looking up. Looks like I've got quite a few referrals. But I'm driving home. I was going to stop for a beer, but I got 2 gigs tomorrow. This is just segment 1 of a three-part weekend here. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. So we're done. I'm back home. I'm back home, and I just want to do a recap of the night. It was a lot of fun. Now, the load in and load out was terrible. I mean, we had actually 2 flights of stairs. I was told there was 1 flight of stairs, but I mean, that's why I brought Dave along, so we could, so I'd have some help doing it. Now, this was actually the biggest setup that I've brought out yet, and I'm glad that I had the help because, man, I'll tell you what, that was one bear of a load in. And of course, when we were loading out, one of the guys was mopping the stairs. So here we are carrying big, heavy stuff down the stairs, and the stairs are wet. So I don't know what the hell they were thinking. I could have just, well, anyway. Moving on. Afterwards, one of the guys that works there comes running up to me. What do you guys charge for your 4-hour party and blah blah blah. And I kind of gave him my rates. So I'm going to explain to him, what I charge for that particular party, because one, I'll tell you what, I'm glad I charged extra because they made me sweat tonight. That place did not have air conditioning plus a bear of a loadout. So yeah, everybody was hot and sticky, but everybody had a good time too. So that was the important thing. There was a lot more karaoke going on tonight than I thought was going to happen. Unfortunately, we didn't get a lot of it on tape. But yeah, and I was really disappointed with one thing. My Sonic Maximizer, for some reason, does not want to work for me. I had to eliminate it at the beginning of the night. It was, for some reason, I was not getting sound out of it. Signal was going in, it was showing on the thing, but I was getting nothing out of it. So I bypassed it, had to bypass that, and everything was working fine other than that. So anyway, yeah. So that's going to get packed up and sent out for repair. We'll see what's going on with that. Other notes. I'm trying to think here. There was something else I wanted to mention, and I'm blanking on it. Oh, my Vertigo took a dump. It turns on, doesn't rotate, so yeah, that's going in the garbage. But other than that, guys, it was an uneventful night. They fed us. Cake was really good. Yeah, it was a fun night, and I've got 2 more tomorrow. So actually, I've got a birthday party tomorrow. It's going to be outdoors, and immediately after is one of my weekly karaoke gigs. So it should be a long day, but it's always fun. Anyway, good night, and see you later.